Hey guys, I'm about to go inside Trader Joe's to show you all the vegan things that I find without getting kicked out, of course. It's been a while since I've done this, so I'm just gonna show you everything. Whether I've showed it in other videos or not, I'm just gonna put everything together in this one, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go inside and see what they have. All right, when you first walk in, there's a cooler section here that has a ton of vegan things. Here's some harvest chili, the vegetable samosa burrito, and I'll just go ahead and show like nutrition facts and also the ingredients. Creamy hummus vegetable wrap, and yes, these expiration dates, use by dates, are going to be expired because I went here a couple weeks ago. Super spinach salad. Now I haven't tried any of these, but these are kind of just already prepared foods, ready to eat. And I love it when they say vegan. Peanut udon noodle salad. Now, just because some of them don't say vegan doesn't mean they're not. But the ones that are, I like that they label it that way. The crunchy jicama slaw. And that one also says vegan at the very bottom there. Spicy lentil wraps. You know, and let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these, because this vegan enchilada casserole, I did try this a while back. This is not a new product, although today we're just going to show everything that we can find that's vegan, whether it's old or new. Get the Brussels sprouts, Kung Pao Brussels sprouts, lentil soup, ancient grains. And there it says vegan, easy. Tabbouleh salad. Now this is one of the first things I ever had when I first stopped eating meat. Balala. That looks good. And then here's some of their cheeses. Their spicy Mexican style blend. And their Parmesan cheese alternative. And they also have mozzarella, ziki dip, almond chipotle. Borson, dairy-free garlic herb. It says suitable for vegans right there. And this is no Thai style sauce. I wonder how that is. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it. The vegan Italian style sausage. They used to have something like this a long time ago in the 90s, and so I had to get some of that, just see how it tasted. The beefless ground beef. There we go. And the Baby Bell. These are their plant-based vegan little cheese things. And of course we have tempeh, their smoked tofu, their baked tofu, which is really good. And their chorizo. Not new, but want to show it anyway. And then here's some of their dressings. Just ready to go. It says vegan at the top real big, so I don't really need to show all the ingredients there. But I will. Sweet chili mango. Salad put together. Vegan. A croissant. Croutons. Their ABC bars, organic iced oatmeal, organic granola bites. It says vegan, gluten-free. And then these nougats, hazelnut, $27 per bar. No, that's for a whole box. And these Misfit caramel fudge cookie butter. Those were pretty good, but kind of a little bland for, candy bar. But and these are always good. My dog loves those too. Everything but the bagel, nuts. Nutsy, your squirrels like them. Crispy, crunchy, coated peanuts. What are these? I don't know. We got the garlic onion pistachios. Who doesn't like pistachios? They're crescent rolls. Right over there, we got the ingredients. Organic and jumbo cinnamon rolls. Right there, those are addictingly good. Organic biscuits. I haven't had the biscuits. Zug sauce. I'm going to confess I've never had this before. And they're vegan spinach cashew ravioli. The kale cashew basil pesto. It says vegan right there up front. We got these corn flakes. These are really good. I like corn flakes. And notice there's no vitamin D. So these are good to go. These Frosted Flakes do have a vitamin D in it called cholecalciferol. Not vegan. Be careful. Do not get those. Organic vegetarian chili. Good to go. And these Thai wheat noodles. And they say vegan right there. So, hey, that saves the time of reading all the ingredients. Although I like to do it anyway. It's a good habit to have. And then these noodles with soy sauce. There's the ingredients. And they also have these ones. Notice these ones actually have a little alcohol in those, ethyl alcohol. But they're still vegan. And we have the Indian Kachari. Now you might see those, notice may have, those are illegal disclaimers, probably made in the same facility as something else. This is new, the Thai peanut satay. I actually got some of this, it's really, really good. We have the tikka masala curry sauce. And let's check out that. It says vegan, so we're good to go. This says vegan right on the front. I love how Trader Joe's does this with most of their stuff. A lot of calories though. And this is always where I buy my cacao powder. We got some sprinkles here. They did have some Christmas sprinkles too. Be careful of those. Those were not vegan. They had beeswax. These ones are $1.99 a pouch. And then the dolmas. These I get these all the time. They're not new. The Greek chickpeas and cumin. I haven't had those. Could probably just make my own. The baked beans and tomato sauce. Only $1.99. Not bad. And then their jelly, raspberry preserves. We also got strawberry. And this chili onion crunch. I grabbed some of that. It's not bad. I like to put it on, different noodles and things. And of course, you got to get the everything but the bagel. This is probably one of my favorites. The vegan tikka masala. A little pricey. The vegetable biryani. A little bit cheaper. Look at that. And then we got their samosas. And their vegetable bird's nest. First time I had these, I'm like, what are these? But they're actually really good. And it says vegan right on it. These, I didn't try these because they have a little alcohol in them, and I don't do that, so. But they are vegan. And these scallion pancakes, these are really good. Tofu sheets, these are new to me. I have not seen these. $2.99 for tofu sheets. And they're spring rolls. Who doesn't like a good spring roll? Edamame tofu fried rice. Looks pretty good. And we got these Jumi. I'm not even gonna try to say it. I can't say that. But they're good. They're really good. I can say this. This is called a kimbap. And I said it wrong in a video, and everybody got mad at me. But anyway, they're really good as well. These look good. I have not tried. These are Thai red curry, and they say vegan right on the front. And then we got some vegan Thai green curry. That looks good. I would do it. The pad see ew. Kind of looks a little ill, but probably tastes pretty good. Vegetable pad thai. I love a good vegetable pad thai. Japchae. I did have this at one point. I don't remember if I cared for it or not. And then this is the Kung Pao tempura cauliflower. Not new. It's been around for a while. Big bag of it. Thai vegetable gyoza. Vegan. And we got some new dumplings. At least I haven't seen these before. And here's another bag of some dumplings. They look good. I've not tried them. And these mini buns too. I have not tried these, but they look really good. And these poblano pepper tacos. There we are. And I mean, who doesn't like sweet plantains? Just a couple ingredients here. The vegetable pouches. These are not bad. I have tried these. Crunchy, crispy. Now we're over to these sunflower butter cups. I prefer the peanut butter cups, but if you can't find them, you always got the sun butter cups. And then the JoJo's, kind of like the Oreo-like cookies, but not Oreo. And come on, who doesn't love good cauliflower and gnocchi? And it says vegan right there. You don't even have to read the ingredients. You know it's vegan. And then their falafel balls, also vegan. Mandarin orange morsels, these little chicken morsels. And their vegan meatballs. Their beefless bulgogi is actually pretty good. And I always get the masala burger. They do have some Impossible. And here's some prices. Always got to get some waffle fries at Trader Joe's. Yum. Put those in the air fryer. Shiitake green beans. We got some stir fry. And the speculoos cookies. Kind of like the Biscoff. And here's some of their ice cream sandwiches and little Nutty Buddy minis. These things right here, I didn't think I would like them. They are just, I could eat a whole box. And these Korean pancakes. Look at those. Acai bowl. Gluten-free and vegan. Organic. And then the chia bowl. With coconut cream. And we have these little vegan sausage breakfast patties. $3.99. And here's these, they're like Fritos. I mean, Fritos are vegan anyway, but yeah, these are organic and vegan. Tortilla chips. These things are weirdly addictive. It's like I eat them and I'm like, I don't like these, but I keep eating them. These crisps, I have not had these before. They look very airy and crispy. These cornbread crisps, these look really good. I wonder how those are. And then we got the baked pita chips. And then these mochi rice nuggets. Only $1.99. These onion crisps. I've tried those before. They're not bad. And then the rice nuggets. I haven't had these. Sweet and salty umami crunchies. Interesting. And I would definitely pass on these. The seaweed snacks. I don't really care for seaweed. All right, and coming over to their bread. This bread is delicious. It's kind of high in calorie, but it's really good. And then we have these mini tortilla flour shells. Not bad. And they're organic white bread. And they're vegan banana bread. They usually always have this, and it's really good. And they got some different breads here. And that's it from the Trader Joe's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And don't forget, I have a feature movie coming out this year called A44. So follow for any updates on that. And we'll see you next time.